Because you're acting as an extension of our providers, ultimately at the end of the day, everything that you do lands on our shoulders. We are responsible for every single thing that you as an exercise specialist do because it's our license that we're practicing under, even if you're the one directing their care. Whether it's a heat setup or an exercise or a transfer off of a table, we are ultimately in charge and liable for whatever happens to that patient while within our care. That's not to say that we want to put any blame on you if something goes wrong, but what we hope that you understand is why it's so important to us as providers to create a safe environment and to create an environment where patients are getting the best care. This is no small thing to us. Again, we want the trust of the patients to be with us forever. We want to earn that trust and keep that trust while they're in our care. And in addition to that, we hope to be able to avoid any sort of legal action or liability that might take place for an adverse event. With that, we ask you to have an extra mindfulness toward helping people be seen, helping people be safe, and making sure that we're doing everything in our power as a team to make sure that people are practicing their exercises or their setup or their transfers in a way that would help us as providers feel excited about. In addition to this, you're an extension of us in ways that allow us to be able to bill for our services. If we are simply putting a patient on an exercise and walking away without observing the quality of that exercise, this is what insurance companies would be likely to say is unskilled care. This is something that they like to be able to find and not pay us for our services. Now again, at the end of the day, it's not just about payment. Ultimately, the best thing is that our patients are having good care. That's our number one reason why focusing on these things. But we also want to earn the compensation that we deserve. And we earn that by making sure that we are doing quality exercise with these patients. That's one of the importances of ensuring proper form. If we're doing these things and offering corrections when needed, we can feel confident that we are being ethical in billing skilled care. We can also feel confident that the patient is getting the best possible care imaginable. Thank you for being able to take this ownership over your responsibility and for being willing to help become an extension of us. That is no small thing to us. We appreciate your efforts and we praise and applaud everything that you do. We hope to be able to be a support to you, and we look forward to having you be a support to us.